So what is AI? What is AI in Sweden? Who's using AI in Sweden? Why are they using AI in Sweden? Where, when, and AI and sustainable development goals in Sweden. All right, so AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which is defined by dictionary.com as the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. AI exists in Sweden as the Swedish National Center for Applied Artificial Intelligence. Here are some examples of companies that use AI in Sweden. So we have Twitter, Uber, Amazon Prime, Tesla, and Hermes Medical Solutions. So why is Netflix and Twitter using AI? Netflix in Sweden takes data about what you click on, watch, and what you search up to formulate suggestions about what you might like to watch. AI even goes as far as to give a percentage of how much the company thinks you'll like a certain show or movie. In addition to this, AI on Netflix has the ability to make trailers and show highlights from shows and movies. For Twitter, on Twitter, AI uses complex algorithms that take data from your usage on the social media platform and figures out which accounts and tweets you're more likely to be interested in. Why is Amazon and Tesla using AI? Well, on Amazon, on the Amazon shopping website, AI processes data and then formulates suggestions for things you might want to buy in addition to what products go well together based on other people's searches. For Tesla, within the company Tesla in Sweden, AI is used to process the environment around its cars and guide their cars to drive themselves. This includes, but is not limited to, accelerating, decelerating, stopping at lights, yielding to oncoming traffic, and avoiding crashes sometimes within split seconds. Where are these companies using AI? So, Amazon and Netflix are using AI on the internet through subscription streaming services monthly, either on a mobile device or through Roku, connected to a television. Twitter's using AI specifically on its social media platform, and Tesla's using AI in its fully automated vehicles, known as Teslas. When are these companies using AI? Netflix is using AI whenever a new show or movie lands, and every second you're using the application itself. For Twitter, Twitter uses AI 24/7 over its social media platform unless the platform itself crashes. Tesla uses AI whenever the car or SUV is either turned on and or in use. Amazon uses AI when someone is logged into their website and when evaluating data on users. So AI and Sustainable Development Goals, also known as SDGs. So, decent work and economic growth. AI can increase workplace safety by doing proactive maintenance on systems, buildings, and bridges. Work that is not under these conditions is risky, time-consuming, and costly. Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. AI can aid manufacturing in becoming more efficient, producing better quality products, and creating advanced distribution chains. Peace, justice, and strong intuitions. AI can identify and stop fraud, corruption, and extortion, money that may be utilized to help people who are struggling financially. Good health and well being. AI can assist in making decisions in the healthcare profession. For example, collaborated with radiologists to develop strategies for leveraging AI to discover brain cancers. All right, two truths and a lie. Sweden leads the AI industry in Europe. An AI arena has been launched in Gothenburg, Sweden, and about 5.4% of people in Sweden use AI in their operations.